What if an expert could now be on site in a matter of seconds? What if maintenance and repairs could now be accomplished in hours instead of days? What if safety and efficiencies could be improved, all while boosting customer satisfaction? This vision is now a reality. Remote field service puts a Siemens remote engineer on site in seconds for more efficient and productive plant maintenance. Using a secure cloud-based collaboration solution, remote residents can now provide real-time guidance to plant personnel, monitoring, balancing, and repairing plants from thousands of kilometers away. The flexible technology also allows for connectivity with multiple OEMs for simultaneous problem solving. Resolutions are accelerated. Productivity increases. Customer satisfaction is maximized. Siemens Remote Field Service. Envision the opportunities of digitalization.